Welcome back, guys, back to the Ramside channel. Today I have the Ruroc Atlas helmet that I just got today. I slightly opened that flap. My address isn't there, so I can't show that. This is the box. I'm going to do an unboxing today and show you how the helmet looks. I got the Hellfire one, so let's see how it is. Right, this goes that way. So I get this as well. A Global Access Event 2019. Looks really nice. Nice necklace or a keyring if you want. And then you got the box in here. Let's see if I can get this out. Oh, maybe not. Try again. Oh, maybe not. Alright. Alright. I have to do this. Right. Slowly pop out. There we go. Now put that just to the side. Right. So, got a nice Atlas logo there. And you got the Ruroc emblem there. It's a nice box actually. A nice matte black, nice finish on top. With the best parts on the inside. So, I think it's open from here. So, open it nice. Bap. So that's the helmet. And then you got the, looks like the extra visor. Should be a tinted black visor, I think it is. Let's see. And if I can get this or not. Look at that. Let's see if we can take this off. Oh, gorgeous. Looks so nice. I'm so happy that I actually give you one. It's like, it goes so well. And then you got the stickers, which are in here as well. I can get this out. You got the Ruroc Atlas, and you got the helmet stickers as well. So that's nice. And then you got the, I think this is the manual. Let's see. Right. So it is a poster as well at the same time. It's a nice poster as well. Wish they had my helmet on here, the Hellfire one. It would look a bit better. But aye. So you got the fitting your Atlas, yada yada, Atlas red airflow, Atlas neck inner liner, your Atlas visor, and you got the goggles, I don't know, Bluetooth Atlas, the what's it called? The Shell Shock, which I will be getting later, hopefully, if I can afford it. It's kind of expensive, but aye, that's that. Put it to the side, put the stickers to the side. Then you get the key in here as well. Dashboard cap. This is to open the visor, because Atlas, I thought it would be better to have screws instead of easy release ones. Next is the helmet. It's really light. Whoops. Oh, get the box out of the way as well. You got the Atlas rock cover, nice. Rest it gently. Open these if I can. Then let's go here. Let's do a wee bit around everywhere. If I can. Does this work the way I want it to work? I think so. Right. This is the Atlas helmet, Hellfire edition. Move that way slightly. Bap. Wow. It looks so nice. Oh, it looks so nice. I love the vents, I love the colour. The colours are amazing. And you got the wee spoiler at the back. It's gorgeous looking. This one does have the chin strap. This is the newer one. You got the neck inliner and stuff like that. Yada yada yada. Then this is a cool part. Their buckle system. So you're just gonna pull, it comes straight off. And the best part is no fiddling about the D locks or whatever, the C locks or what you want to call them. They just snap straight in, and it's not come off unless you pull the red tab. You know, it looks nice. It feels nice. Only thing is, these paddings are a bit long. They're a bit fiddly, I think. But besides that, it looks gorgeous. The buckle's amazing. You got the chin strap. And then you got the top. A nice panorama view. Nice all the way around. The vents, you got the nose piece. And then if I can take this off as well. Let's see. Here maybe. Nice and easy. There we go. One side. The Atlas anti-scratch, anti-fog as well. Shockwave, that's what it is. Shockwave. That's what I need to get later. Oh, it's so clean. It's so nice looking. You got the visor. Nice, easy to open, close. Same. 1, 2, 3. You got one at the top, one halfway, one more down the bottom. I have to push it slightly to actually close it. You see all the way around in here as well. Right around, you can see it if you look carefully. There's the seal. You got one vent, two vent. The exhausts are back here. I think that's another exhaust. You got two vents in here. You got a vent in here. All the thing is, this is the only vent that closes from the inside. I don't know how well you will see that. Into the light a wee bit more. And got the wee sliding bit in here. That closes the in vent. And that's the only vent that actually closes. Then you got the, that's how you put the Bluetooth, the shockwave. You got the cable in there already for it, so it's already pre-installed that. Then you have speakers, spots in here, which is kind of hard to see because it's kind of dark. I don't know if you can maybe get the light in. Let me see. I would like to show it if I can, as much as possible. I don't think it's going to get a chance to see it. Well, it sits around about here anyway. Just about here, right there. You see that wee in groove there? That one right there. You see that in groove right there? Pretty sure that's where it sits roughly. But Helmut's already got like. Okay. Aye. That's where the speakers roughly sit around. And you got the. Oh, I'm so happy. It looks so nice. I'm going to put the black visor on because that's the one I'm going to usually put on. So you just kind of loosen these screws up. If I can get these up. Oh, the screws are quite nice as well. People are kind of hating on these screws. I see the point of them being screwed. It's more secure in a way. It's not going to just pop off. Right. I don't know. And you got the open it up a bit. You can. Right. You take that off. Here's the visor should just pop off. Oh, there we go. Like that. Right, that's the visor off. Now I think you have to take these off as well. By the looks of this. It doesn't have it on, so. Whoops. There it goes. Oh! Right. It's here. Alright, let's see. That off there. That onto here. And get a second flush. Another set of flush. You got the one clip here and you got the other clip there. That. Other side as well. Let's see. You can get it in. Saying not warranty, shatterproof, not warranty, shatterproof, if 20 for daytime use only. Right, I'll be using it most of the time anyway. This is the part I don't like. These move and they pop out. By the looks of it, this is kind of flimsy. This is kind of slide out. They're not the best, I would say. This one didn't want to stay in its right place. So I think I'll have to put that screw first then. Right. If I can get this closed properly maybe. Let me get this screw in here quickly. Just nice, loose, tight in. Hand first. Right. That's that side. Now let's get this side if it wants to. It doesn't want to, it doesn't look like it. Put that in. Put that over there. Get this. There's a thing flush and I just want it. This looks like it's flush. Okay, I don't know how this usually sits in here, maybe like that. This isn't the best. Do like that. It's not as flush as it should. Maybe. There we go. There's a nice wee click. I don't know what these are for. If anyone actually knows what these are for here, which I don't. It might be an add-on later on, because they're quite well planned this helmet out to get add-ons and everything. So I wouldn't be surprised if something like can connect there or magnetic. So you stick a, what's it called, a talk system too, but I don't think you would want to, because you get the Bluetooth one anyway in this. Well, you buy it separately anyway. So that's that, and that's the black version. I'm gonna keep that anyway. And it looks a lot nicer. DOT approved, certified. And you got the nice nose piece, chin. I would like to show the inside, but I don't think I can. I can try, but my GoPro's on my head, so nope, ain't gonna work. Right. Oh, I'm in so much love. Right. I think that's it, to be honest. Let's find the details on ice in here. You feel all the details, the grooves. And then you got the wee exhaust or air vent in there. You got one in here as well. Looks like you can actually change it slightly. I think this might come off actually at one point. The way it looks like it is. But I'm confused what these are. That's the only thing I'm confused. If anybody knows what these are, these wee dots here, then comment please, because I'm kind of confused. But the Ruroc symbol underneath, Atlas, Ruroc, just it looks so nice. If that's it, I think that's the end of the video, guys. And if you have any questions, if you want me to do a review after using the helmet for a bit, then just comment or like the video. Whatever's just either one would be fine, to be honest. And it's my first unboxing, so judge all you want, but I tried my hardest. So if you like it, remember to like, subscribe. Instead of putting a dislike, comment and say what I could do better. And that's about it, I think. If you want any more views or any pictures of certain things that you want to see on the helmet or wear on the helmet, just comment. I'll send a photo or put a video up about it. Easy enough. So thanks for watching. This is Ramside, and out.